Wagwan people on this Sunday evening. There, pulling out my hair. I have it cornrow for a couple weeks now, so basically I'm gonna pull out it and let you guys see, reveal my true hair. Like, you know, people think because you'll be wearing a lot of wigs and stuff like that, they think you don't have no hair, or you got bad hair, or something into something. But for me, that's not the case. You feel me? I got hair. But living in America 40 year, we really don't have the necessities that we really need to keep it good, healthy, and all that. So, and we working, you don't have time to get it the way you really wanna, because taking care of a 4C here, it takes really time, so I'm just here, chilling. No work. I don't work, so I just chill. But yeah, I'm really still have it in mind to start a hair care line, also a skincare line, also a hair line, selling wigs and stuff like that. Yep. So just stick with me, as you'll definitely get the invite. I do since I'm mostly home, I'm a wig reviewer. I can't sit down, I gotta hustle. So I'm a wig hair reviewer, where I get wigs to review and stuff like that. And it's really a good 9 to 5, I would say. It's really good. I'm not perfect, but I'm definitely getting there. Like, I bleached some knots the other day and stuff like that. I have my videos. I just need to edit it before I post it. But apart from that, it's like I can do my hair, you feel me? I can do whatever I want to do to my hair. So, cause I ain't gonna take up $250, $500, I got better things to do with my money, you feel me? I can do my own hair, natural hair or a wig. I install my own shit, you feel me? So I ain't paying no money like that, you feel me? I got so much stuff to get done, you feel me? So kudos to you, but I'm working on creating that generation wealth for my family, my future kid. If my husband want more kids and stuff like that. But I'm working on my foundation, and I'll tell anybody that you should work on your foundation. Get your shit right, get your shit together. It's not easy, but it's worth it. When you started from the bottom, and you reach the top, trust me, you just gotta keep your circle small. You guys hear the birds chirping? Moment of silence. Listen to the birds chirping. You feel me? It's beautiful today. Where are you guys from? This is a mark that I got from I think it's the flat iron. But I'm not, you know, my skin is pretty, like my skin is, you feel me? And this camera is really good too. So you know, now you girl doing her thing. I got a lot of freaking gray hairs too in my head. I'm like, where does fuck keep coming from, bro? Like, you feel me? Where the F it came from? But I hope y'all Sundays is good and good. You feel me? And yeah, let's just speed up this thing and get it done so I can comb it out and show you what I'm talking about. Now is to comb it out. So I use a big teeth comb and I comb it. I'm sorry about that, but this is it. Like, my hair is growing back tremendously. Like, I lost a lot of hair and then I creamed it and all 9 yards, and it grew back. Like, it grew right back. So yeah, like that's my hair, like, y'all. That's my hair. Let's see how long it is, like, because I have 4C here, you know, it shrinks, like look at it, like, it shrinks, and it shrinks bad when it shrinks. So yeah, this is my real length, like, you know what I mean, like, you really, like, and look at it. This is how it is when it shrinks, like, and it get more the more you open, like, so when I do the hair like this in like a couple of minutes, it gets harder and harder and harder because a lot of hair going through it, so it shrinks and shrinks. But look at my hair. It's growing, like, and you got to keep your hair greased, like, you feel me? Like, my hands, look at my hands. My hands had moisture in it, so I don't have to worry about moisturizing my hair because it is moisturized, you feel me? So keep your hair moisturized, wash your hair properly, do treatments. I do aloe vera. I blend the aloe vera, I blend it, then I strained it, and then you can boil up flax seed, you feel me? So you would be like, in boiling water, you put the rosemary leaves in it, you feel me? When it comes to a boil, you add the flax seed to it, and then it's gonna start getting thick. Then you're gonna pour it off. You don't let it get too thick, and you don't wait for it to get cold to sieve it. You sieve it while it's hot. So you put it in the strainer and let it run out, and then you mix those two with the aloe vera juice, you feel me? And keep it in, put it in your hair, and put on a mask and let it stay for as long as you want it to stay, you feel me? And then you wash your hair. I'm telling you, you'll be good. Like, I'm gonna have to do a tutorial. I'm gonna do a tutorial on it, but yeah. It's given. I'm gonna wash it and stuff and get it cold. Oh, I'm tired. Anyhow, thank you guys for watching. Make sure y'all subscribe to my YouTube channel. I appreciate each and every one that do. Hope to see you soon. And make sure y'all take care. Happy Sunday. Rice and peas and french fried chicken, oxtail, fish, whatever the case may be. Once it's food, you feel me? Make sure y'all leave a comment, share my videos, and road to 1K, 1,000 subscribers. I'm gonna get there by the end of this year, period. I'm gonna do a giveaway, I think. But yeah, like, bye. Peace out.